All right, so I'm going to do a video in Photoshop 2021. So Photoshop 2021 has just come out a couple of days ago, and I thought I'd make a video. I thought I'd show, this is artwork I made when I was much younger, about 20 years ago. So I've got, this is all stuff I made when I was younger. So what we're going to do is we're just going to use this new feature, which is called Edit, which is in the Edit menu, and it's called Sky Replacement. So Sky Replacement is it's kind of like an amazing feature, actually. So you can see how much that just changed that image. But what you can actually do, and I'm just going to show this is going to be a pretty basic overview of this. But if you just look at look at all the different categories. So we've got blue skies, we've got spectacular, and we've got sunsets. So let's just have a look at the options that we've got here and what they can do. So there's that one. And it's still like, and obviously this is not actually a real photo. It probably works better in photos, but it's still but it's kind of actually works quite well in this picture, I found. So yeah, it actually really adds to like what I made originally, like such a long time ago. That was why I thought about making the video, to be honest. So yeah, you've got like really like cool cloud options, and I bet with photos this works even better. And then what's that, like cirrus clouds or something? What's that, stratus? I don't know, to be honest. But yeah, that's a really cool one. That actually works probably the best out of that. And then, but also you have the spectacular ones. So let's do spectacular. I might just stick with this one picture. Okay. Wow. So you can see actually this works remarkably well, this feature. I actually kind of want to try it on some of my other ones here. This is not really like the best tutorial, but it's my first Photoshop video, and we're in Photoshop 2021. Wow. And then the sunsets finally. So you looks like you get a bunch of options, and you can just select from them. But let's look at I am kind of curious about the customization options. Red Sky at Night, Shepherd's Delight. So let's look at some of the customization. So what have we got in here? So this looks like a bit like the swatches panel. They're sort of like similar sort of options, aren't they? There. Let's now go on to, let's do something with this other one here. Well, maybe not that one. Let's do this one. I wonder how this will look. This probably fit worse because I think the first one was probably better. Okay. So go for sky replacement again. Actually, it actually works remarkably well. I want to try. Let's like choose one that we actually like really like. So in blue skies, I'm kind of curious to see, like, this one was one that sort of jumped out at me as it might be look good in the edit. So what if we do move it around? Interesting. I get some really interesting effects there. So that is everything else is all your actual original stuff is black. Look at that. Let's put that back to 0. Not close it though. Yeah, there's a lot of fun stuff you can do with this, that's for sure. Brightness. Now scale. I thought maybe the clouds would like shift over or something, but it doesn't look like they do. Let's press this button. Yeah, I guess it's just the actual colors there. Like, I'm not sure why I can. I don't know Photoshop well enough to know why exactly I'm able to press these buttons. But yeah, it's pretty cool though. Anyway, like I don't really know how much more I can really show, except for I've obviously shown a bunch of these different things here. But yeah, I guess we will. Yeah, so this is my first Photoshop video in Photoshop 2021, showing off the new Edit Sky replacement feature. I've been wanting to make a Photoshop video for a while, and so may as well start with a new feature in the latest version. So thanks for watching.